डियर स्टूडेंट अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा क्लास 10 का पहला लेक्चर है और हमारा फर्स्ट जो टॉपिक है वो आइसोलेशन के बारे में है। व्हाट इज आइसोलेशन एंड वाइब्रेशन एंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन आइसोलेशन, वाइब्रेशन एंड पीरियोडिक मोशन। सबसे पहले हम आइसोलेशन को डिफाइन करते हैं। व्हाट इज आइसोलेशन? द बैक एंड फोर्थ मोशन ऑफ अ बॉडी इज कॉल्ड oscillation. Otherwise, we can also define as when a body is moving left or right from its mean position, it is also called oscillation. Oscillation से पहले सबसे पहले हम मोशन की तरफ आते हैं। बाद में हमें oscillation के बारे में सब कुछ जान सकें, लेकिन फर्स्ट हम मोशन की तरफ आते हैं। What is motion? When a body changes its position, then it is said instead of motion, or when there is some changes occur instead of a body, it is called motion. There are three types of motion: rotatory motion, translatory motion, and vibratory motion. Here translatory motion and rotatory motion are called non-periodic motion because such a motion cannot repeat again and again, and there is no mean position between such a motion. But our main topic here is vibratory motion. Now we can define that what is vibratory motion. That motion which repeat again and again is called vibratory motion. Or we can also say that that motion in which a body is moving back and forth from its mean position is called vibratory motion. Then this vibratory motion further called periodic motion. The example of vibratory motion: simple pendulum, which is moving back and forth from its mean position. Also, mass attached to spring, the example of vibratory motion. Or steel strap is the example of vibratory motion. While the example of the rotatory and translatory motion, which is called non-periodic motion, such as throwing a ball, motion of car, these are the example of non-periodic motion because such a motion cannot repeat. Now, what is periodic motion? That motion which repeat after equal interval of time again and again is called periodic motion. The example of the periodic motion is also simple pendulum, steel strap, mass attached to spring. These are also called periodic motion, and that is the examples. The periodic motion further divided into two types. One is called oscillation and the other is called non-oscillation. Non-oscillation are that types of periodic motion which have no mean position. There is no mean position between the motion of the body. It is called non-oscillation or non-oscillation motion. For example, when we take a stone and whirl it into a circular path, then it cannot repeat again and again. So such a motion is called non-oscillation motion. While oscillation, that motion which repeat again and again from its mean position is called oscillation. And the example is again simple pendulum, mass attached to spring, which have mean position, and from this mean position it moves back and forth. It is called oscillation. Now oscillation is further divided into two types. One is called SHM, simple harmonic motion, and the other is called non-SHM, non-simple harmonic motion. Now what is SHM? That motion which is depend upon acceleration. That motion which is directly proportional to displacement, such as mathematically A is directly proportional to X. Now if we take a pendulum, that is the mean position of the pendulum, and these two are the extreme position of the pendulum. Here point O is the mean position and X its displacement. This displacement is increased with the increase of applied force, and according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. So it means that force is directly proportional to acceleration. If the acceleration is increases, then the displacement will be increases. But the direction of the displacement is always directed toward the mean position O So we put a negative sign. This negative sign show or represent the opposite direction. So it's a change that motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to displacement, but opposite direction is called simple harmonic motion, which is also called oscillation. Other hand is non-oscillation, that motions which acceleration not directly proportional to displacement is called non-SHM, and non-SHM is also called vibration. Now what is vibration? Vibration and oscillation both are same, but there are some difference between them. Vibration is that oscillation whose frequency is maximum. It's called vibration. For example, if we take a string and plug it to end, now we applied a force its middle and release it, then the string will start vibration. But the vibration of such a or oscillation of such string is very large, which have maximum frequency than the pendulum or spring. So that is called vibration. So today our topic is about oscillation. What is vibration? What is periodic motion? So we can learn all about these in this topic. If you like this video, please subscribe it. Thank you.